like that.
You're on, bro.
Like your wings. I'm Mark Wahlberg.
All right, don't shake him off the stick.
Okay, no problem. You can
What?
stay on the stick. Say hello to your mother for me, okay? No problem. Don't bite me.
Shake, shake the red bird.
Do a movie together, okay? We'll do a movie together. Don't bite my face off. No problem. Okay. Say hello to your mother for me.
Here we are with these guys in Vegas, man. I want to show you the crowd. Look at those guys. Look at the crowd. And then we got, and then we got the New Yorkers from Long Island. You know, trying to comes out here. We got lemonade and Gatorade here in Las Vegas.
Say hello to your mother for me, okay?
This is their way of picking up chicks. Oh, maybe not. Sorry, girlfriends. They're not picking up chicks. They're just here cruising with the parrots. We got China down here. China doll. And here comes the Midwesterners. There's the Midwesterners. We got the Midwesterners. And then we got the New Yorkers right back here. These guys got the parrots. Where'd they get the parrots from? I don't know.